Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Burberry unboxing of a stunning bag. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I purchased this from the Burberry website and even the inside of the box is stunning. All right, so I've been eyeing this bag for quite some time. I finally picked it up and I thought I'd share it with you guys. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. I would expect nothing but the most classy packaging from Burberry. Burberry is a very well-known luxury brand. All right, so here we have it. Okay, so this is the medium check bowling bag. Oh, it's so pretty. Not that I didn't think it would be. Clearly, I've been eyeing this bag for quite some time. Now, I will say it reminds me so very much of the Louis Vuitton Speedy 25. This seems a little bigger than the Speedy 25, but I don't know if it is or not. I'll actually show you a comparison here shortly in the two bags so you can kind of get an idea. But let's go ahead and unwrap this because I have been dying to see it. I love the attention to detail. This is so pretty. And it just keeps getting better. It's like every time I open something, there's a little surprise behind the foam packaging. What do you guys think? It is such a classy, chic sort of bag, in my opinion. I'm really into preppy these days. I don't know what happened. I think I've always really enjoyed preppy, and this bag to me screams preppy. So it does have on the gold hardware embossed Burberry, and then, oh, this feels divine. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off so we can see the bag a little easier. Like I said, I think it'd be really cool to show you a side-by-side comparison of the Louis Vuitton Speedy next to this bag because I feel like they are similar. I feel like this one might be longer. I could be wrong. So again, this is the medium size check bowling bag by Burberry. And so far I am very impressed. Like everything about it just screams beautiful, stunning, definitely looks and feels luxurious. Definitely a luxury bag, and I would expect nothing else from Burberry. So, so pretty. Oh, gosh, you guys. What do you think? My first impression is yes. So yes. Oh, I love this bag. Sorry, I'm just taking it in for a second. Okay, right off the bat, the first thing I noticed is the handles don't just fall down. I'm loving that. That is something that is a problem with my Louis Vuitton Speedy. Not complaining about the Speedy. I have 3 Speedy bags. Clearly I love them, but it is nice that they don't just and maybe this will over time, but they seem a little bit more sturdy, substantial, and not going anywhere. I love that. All right, let's dive into the bag. Okay, really nicely packaged. Here is my strap. I'll show you that. Let's get the packaging out. There's a lot. Just keeps coming. Oh yeah. All right, so finally at the bottom. So here we have, looks like a little care card booklet. Yes, it is. This is gorgeous, you guys. How beautiful. Okay, so I do love the interior lining. It's like a deep chocolate brown. Hope you can see it. Pulling a little bit more burgundy, to be quite honest, and loving it. So then inside here, it does say Burberry and made in Italy. How gorgeous is that? Okay, really excited about this bag. So the dimensions of this bag are 7.8 inches in the width of the bag, and it is 8.3 inches in the height of the bag, and then the depth of the bag is 5.9 inches. Gosh, this is beautiful. Has a nice leather strip right there to protect the bag. Would love some feet on here, but I'm not complaining. It is beautiful, you guys. All right, let's check out the strap. So it is made out of polyurethane on the exterior, and it also has genuine calf leather trim here on the handles and around the bag. So that is what this gorgeous bag is made from. And then this is what the strap looks like. It does have really intricate stitching all the way throughout. And then it does have a nice little claw, which is nicely wrapped. It is a claw clasp to just clasp it on the bag. Let's do that now. And here we have it. All right, so this strap is thin and it does have adjustments there. Looks like you have about 5 adjustments. So you can make this longer. So the dimensions of the strap are 14.8 inches and it can go all the way up to 16.7 inches. So good variation there with the strap and definitely nice. You can adjust it. And the retail on this stunning bag is $1,750. As I said, I did pick this up from the Burberry website, and it is a Christmas gift to myself, from myself, and from my husband. He just doesn't know it yet. What do you guys think? I'd love a comment down below. What are your thoughts on this stunning bag? Do you love it? Do you not? I don't know. I think it is just the bee's knees. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and grab my Speedy B25. I'm curious, what is the size differential? Hold that thought. Okay, so my thoughts are, this is the Speedy B25, and this definitely would be in the medium size. I'm thinking more of like the size 30 because the 25 looks much smaller next to it. So, I mean, I would say probably a good 1.5 inches lengthwise more. The depth of the bag, I really don't see it that much bigger, but a little bit taller for sure. I don't know if you can see that. So interesting, but I kind of love that because this is the 25 and I love it, but I'm also loving a little bigger size here. So there you have it. As I said, very similar in the shape. One thing you'll see just how these straps stand up and these ones don't. So not a deal breaker for me. Clearly, I'm a huge Speedy B25 lover. I do not own a size 30. I'm guessing a size 30 of the Louis Vuitton would be a lot closer to this bag here called the medium check bowling bag. Really beautiful. I love this so much. Let me do a quick mod shot for you guys so you can kind of have an idea of how big this bag really is on someone. But I must say, Burberry knows how to do a bag right. This is gorgeous, you guys. Huge fan, loving it so much. So here we have it, this bag. Super lightweight. I feel like it is a good quality bag, like it feels substantial, but it's not heavy, which I love. Because, you know, once you put all the things in, it starts to get real heavy real fast. So I'm 5'10", and this bag to me is a really good size for me. So let's check it out on the shoulder. Ooh, that's pretty. I am very excited about this bag. It is stunning. What do you guys think? I'm in love. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I appreciate you watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and like it if you enjoyed it. And until next time, bye guys. Happy holidays.